guys, so today we're going to be making slime. So we already put the glue in, and these are the colors we're going to be using.
We have some activator, but we're not going to use all, like, a lot. So
I'm just going to put in the colors already.
We'll have to use, like, about that much. Okay, so
oh no, it's already white. It's already white. I wonder what color this is. It might be. I'm going to splash that out. Hold on. Oh, I'm trying to put. Okay, that's good. Hold on, let me put a white color. Hold on.
With the blue. Okay, then I put in the blue.
I'm taking the last color.
Okay. And we need something to mix it with. We'll mix it with the top.
Okay.
So it's like. Are you squeezing it? Okay, there you go.
Okay. Hold on. Wait. I know.
Oh. There's too much gray.
Take the Sharpie. I'll grab the Sharpie to mix it.
Too much gray.
I'll take the Sharpie. Take that out.
There's too much gray.
Hey, well, I will add the light colors. Like these are our light colors.
I put too much gray in it. Okay. Oh, I think that's too much teal.
It's fine.
Guys, we're doing a mess up right now. So my friend here,
me,
she just came to my house.
Here, hold this.
It's a Friday.
So hold on.
Here, I'll try to mix it. You squeeze it hard. Okay, should be good. Okay, let's wonder what it makes. I swear it makes gray again. It makes gray again.
I swear, I'm going to put white.
Tell me if this looks like gray to you.
It does.
Okay, add some white.
What the heck? This white does not have any.
Go check the.
I already have checked all the ones.
Try that white. Might work. Oh, you got it on my hand.
It's okay.
Okay. That looks like a purple now. Here, let me try to add some teal. I got it on my hand. Yeah,
go. These colors. I got pink.
You got some pink? Yeah, put some pink. You want to the.
I hate pink, but whatever.
We'll have to try. Pink's the lightest color ever. Oh, that's enough pink to change the color. Why, cruel world? Why did we add too much gray?
Hold on, don't stir it.
The hard.
Okay, hold on. No, don't stir it.
Okay.
Put more colors. Come on, you gotta work.
Okay, that should be good.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta add pink. These are only light colors.
You're gonna make the cup overflow. Look, it's already overflowing on this side.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, let me.
You should have cut the cup even.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry. I used scissors. Okay, use the activator. I'll mix it.
Sorry, guys. This is the worstest video you guys probably ever seen on YouTube.
Yeah, probably. Sorry, guys.
You gotta move everything.
Yeah, let's use our hands.
I'll use my hands. Oh, this is just paint.
That's just paint. We added too much paint. We need more activator.
I can't grab it because I have way too. What if we're gonna get your table messy?
Okay, that's fine. Here, put some on you. I put some paint on you. Okay, let me put some activator in. Okay. Oh, that's so much! No. This, guys, is a horrible video. Oh, it's gonna fall! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! We're gonna get fries later.
Should we wash our hands?
Wait,
guys,
you stay here trying to make it not fall.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna grab. I need some towels.
Go! It's falling.
We should redo this.
This was a disaster. Don't try this.
Okay, ready? Got some paper towels. Oh my god. I thought this was gonna be a good, complete video. We might have to do it too.
Oh, somebody's coming.
My sister's coming. Guys, we have to do part 2 right when my sister's about to walk in. Bye-bye.